A pre-owned 2005 Chrysler Crossfire Limited. This two-door convertible has a six-cylinder, 3.2-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.